What is going on YouTube? Just helping you out here. And for today's video, I'll be doing a review on the Zagg InvisibleShield glass curved screen protector. My particular screen protector is for the Samsung Galaxy S8, but it is very similar to the product Zagg makes for other devices. Ever since companies such as Samsung started making curved screens, screen protector companies had to figure out a way to make a protector that would be able to protect the entire screen while having structural integrity. The back of the packaging contains lots of important information. To start, it says that there is a limited lifetime warranty, which basically means if the screen protector gets damaged in any way, Zagg will replace it as long as you keep the same device. If you get a new device, the warranty is voided and you would have to repurchase a new protector for your new device. Next, it says the protector is custom fit to cling to the screen precisely at any point. The glass is smooth and completely transparent. It can withstand heavy impact and scratches with minimal to no damage to your phone screen. It has great touch sensitivity and clarity, meaning that your phone screen is still very responsive with the protector on and the display quality is unchanged. Also, it claims to be smudge resistant and easy to apply. There is a list of contents within the box, a scale that shows how hard the glass is, and a diagram showing the different layers of the protector. Now I want to show you everything that comes with the protector. There is a little pamphlet that shows you how to apply the screen protector, and that reminds you to register the protector so you can take advantage of the warranty policy if necessary. The protector comes in this little bag, and there is also a dust removal sticker, microfiber cloth, and wet wipe to thoroughly clean your phone screen before you put on the protector. You do not want a little dust particle under it, they are just a nuisance. Finally, it comes with this red tray that you put on top of your device as a guide to ensure you put the screen protector on where it belongs and not off center. Now I want to talk to my personal experience with the protector and some issues I have had. To start off, I noticed that the protector does not lay directly on top of your phone screen. There is actually a very small lip that goes around the protector, so it actually sits about half a millimeter above your phone screen. This makes it easier for dust and other small particles to get under the protector, especially around the edges. I also noticed that I have to push harder for the phone to respond in random places. There are some parts of the screen where I have to push pretty hard and others where I do not need to apply much pressure. I also noticed it is hard to use around the edges. For example, it usually takes a couple tries to pull down my toolbar from the top and pull up soft keys from the bottom. This isn't necessarily Zagg's fault. I probably didn't put on the protector perfectly. Recently, I actually cracked my protector a little bit. I don't even know how it happened. I just pulled it out of my pocket and it was cracked. I didn't even drop it. When this protector cracks though, it is a very thin crack and sometimes it is not even really noticeable. I also have a friend who has the same phone and same screen protector, and him and his friend were messing around one day, and his friend tried to take his phone and he squeezed the middle of the screen protector, and that was enough to crack it. Like I said before, the screen sits up on top of the screen a little, so it can bow and flex a little bit in the middle. In the end, screen protectors are not designed to be indestructible. They are designed to take impact from everyday life while protecting your phone screen so you do not have to pay an absurdly high price and go out of your way to get your phone screen replaced. Overall, I have issues with this screen protector, but I've gotten used to them and they are not that much of a nuisance anymore. Most of the issues I have are kind of like issues that you can expect when getting a screen protector. At the end of the day, it does what it is designed to do, and you can get a replacement if you have any issues. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, please drop a like, leave a comment if you have a question about the protector or an idea for a future video, and lastly, please don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends about my channel so I can grow and help more of you guys out. I'm just helping you out. See you in the next video.